everybody, so today's video is how to get the candy cane coil in game named Acid Escape. So Acid Escape is a game like kind of obby, but you need to survive from the acid before they starting rising until they rinse your body. So candy cane coil is a limited edition coil that you can only get during this year Christmas, and it makes you jump higher than the normal coil. You can earn beach by finding the candy cane coil, and it was super easy to get it. So yeah, let's join the game ahead, and I will be link the game in the description. So yeah, I already joined the game, and I will show you where exactly the candy cane. So yeah, you need to go on this obby and go over here and here. So yeah, try to get it, and if you find this candy cane, walk on it and you get it. So yeah, it needs a while to show up, or if it don't show up, try to rejoin the game. I will try to rejoin the game since the coil isn't show up now. So yeah, as you can see, I already rejoined and the Christmas coil is show up. Now you can use it, and it jump higher than the normal coil. I will show you the difference. I will use the normal coil first and the candy cane coil. Look, which is higher? The candy cane coil isn't right. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and wasting your time. Bye.